Okay, we're looking at absolute extrema. So we have the function g of x is equal to negative, and of course we got in parentheses here x minus 4, quantity squared, plus 4, and we're on this closed interval between 0 and 4. Now, what I'm going to do first is find the critical numbers. Now, I don't know if I've said this or not, but it doesn't really matter which step we do first. You could plug in both endpoints, get that out of the way, and then find critical numbers, whatever. I'm going to find the critical numbers first. There is a slight reason why you should do this, and one of these problems coming up, I'll point that out, why we should find the critical numbers first. It helps in preventing repeating steps, I guess I should say. So first thing we do, remember, is we take the derivative of this guy up here, and this is the derivative, and then set the derivative equal to 0, and then solve for x. So when we solve for x here, we should get 4, and so 4 is our critical number. And now what we're going to do is check the endpoints. So I'm going to take 0, plug it into our function, we get negative 12 out, then take 4, plug it into our function, and we get 4 out. We get 4 out. Okay, well, remember that our critical number was 4. X is equal to 4. Well, what we've done here is what we've done is we've kind of did an extra step, because 4 was one of our critical numbers, right? So we didn't really have to evaluate it at u of 4 twice. If we would have done this in a different order, and that is looked at both these endpoints first and then found our critical number, right? I think we're saving a step here if we do the critical number thing first, if you understand what I'm talking about there. Anyway, probably not. I don't know. Well, anyway, so our critical number is occurring here at 4, and we look at the graph, we'll see why. Or not see why, but I guess graphically we'll understand it better. Anyway, as you can see here, this is the smallest, the negative 12, and this is the largest. So the maximum is going to occur at 4, 4. Okay, all right, that point on the graph, and the minimum is going to occur at 0, negative 12. All right, well, let's take a look at our pretty picture here. So remember, it's on the interval between 0 and 4. Okay. All right, sorry about that. It's always got to be something popping up next. If it isn't a rabbit, a cat, or a dog, it's the telephone. Okay, where am I at here? Oh, 4. So this was the maximum, was occurring here at 4, the absolute maximum, I should say, and the absolute minimum was occurring at negative 12, which that's supposed to be indicating this red dot here, that's 0, negative 12. So I'm sure you get a whole lot better understanding of what is going on.